Hello friends, so today in this video we'll talk about Python, how to install Python and Jupyter notebook. Okay, so that we're going to see. So to install the Python you can just google it, install Python. Okay, so that is the things you can try to search and then you will get this site. You can go to this download Python, that python.org site, and you will get this screen. So here you will get the latest version of the Python. You can download this. You can click on here to download this file, and so once it is downloaded you can just click on install. Okay, so once you try to install, I already installed this version, so I will get this option to modify or repair or uninstall. I am not going to install it again, but I will show you what is the screen you will get. So you will get this screen. Okay, and in this screen you can just tick mark this, add Python 3.6 or 3.10 whatever to the path. So you can just tick mark this and follow the steps to install it, and then installation will be successful. Okay, once you are done with the installation, where you can see that now you can see the where it is being installed. Okay, so you need to go to the C file, or yeah, you need to go to C drive, and then user, and let's say you are user the Kapil. My name is Kapil, or so I have created, let's say, HP user, so I am going here, and then you need to go to the let's say application data folder. Okay, so you will, this is the folder which you need to go, but sometimes you will not be able to find this folder because this is a hidden folder. And to get this folder visible you need to go to this, let's say, this three dot mark, and you need to go to this option, and here you will see then the view, let's say, hidden files and folder. You can just click on this show hidden files and folder for this, and those folder will be appear to you actually, and you can see this those folders. Okay, so once you have this folder visible you can just go to this app data inside, then you have a local folder name which is local, and then once you go there then you can go to the programs, then Python. Okay, so I have a Python 3.10 version, so that's why I can see that 310 Python 310. Okay, so that is being visible over here. Then you can go to script. Okay, and here you can see all the Pythons. Let's say the you can see the Jupyter as well, which is already I have installed. Okay, that's why you can see over here. Okay, so but if you wanted to do that you need to go to here, just type cmd, then it will basically go to that folder automatically, with the cmd, and then you need to just do pip install, and then uh, Jupyter. Okay, once you do this it will install the Jupyter. Okay, basically Jupyter notebook will be installed, and then you will be able to use the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so that is the that is the things you need to do. Okay, I am not going to do because I already installed this, and when you are done with that, okay, then you just need to type Jupyter, okay, and notebook. So once you type that, then you will see that new screen for the Jupyter notebook will be opening. So then you can see I already have some of the uh, file which I already created last time. So you can just click on this, and the best part of this is you can just click control and enter, then it will be executed. Okay, so that is the simple thing. You can just yeah, do this. So if you wanted to write a new program, you can just click over here, and then let's say the print hello world, if you wanted to do so, print hello world, and then control enter. If you do, then it will run. You can click here at run also to do the same thing, but yeah, control enter will be the easiest thing. You can click on save to save this. So there are multiple options available over here as well. Okay, notebook, yeah, and so you, there are a couple of rename and other option, basic options are available. You can just download as, so there are multiple options available over here to, let's say, rename this. You need to click over here, and you can do that hello world 1. Okay, and anything you can rename it. Okay, so these are the steps you need to do to for the installation of the Jupyter notebook. Okay, and even you can just do, let's say, if you wanted to do something, so definitely the Python, so you can do a cmd, and just if you type Python, it will redirect to the Python, and there also you can just type the basic commands, let's say the hello world and hello only. If I will do, then it will do that, it will also run. So if you want to do some practice, that also you can do over here as well. Let's say 6 multiplied by 5, and then you are printing another print statement. So that is also possible. So you can use this Python, okay, is this command for that. And let's say other than that also some of the other options, let's say as if you go over here in this file, you have a different options, Jupyter console, okay, Jupyter execute, so there are multiple options available over here as well that you can also try. Okay, so these are the steps you need to follow. If you have any question, then you can definitely write it. I will try to answer it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day and see you again.